Here we go, guys. BRZ update. I just reviewed the TS. Subaru of Coconut Creek has a TS and a regular one, so go check them out. But this is my baby girl. Performance package, limited, Brembo brakes and everything. Let's take her for a ride. Roll up on the cricket picture, so we do this. Turn off that for a little bit, you know. But yeah, I love this car, man. We have 4,189 miles on her, and she's been a riot to drive. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take her for a ride, give you like a little update on her, because again, 4,000 miles in what, 4 months? But I've been loving every minute of this car, except for when the tire pressure monitor light came on, because there was a nail in the tire and they couldn't find it. They thought there was nothing wrong with it. They just gave me air and sent me on my way, and then the same thing happened again. So it needed air. But I love this car, man. Oh, a Civic with gold rims. If you're looking to buy a BRZ, you definitely should. Right now I have tint on mine, so there you go. That's the difference. Pretty dark, 5% on the side, 5% on the back, and 50 on the front. By the way, I get a lot of attention as well. The blue, the color that this is in, everybody love it. The World Rally blue, who can't like it, right? But I looked at the TS just now, and there isn't really much difference between a performance package and a TS, except for the red on the seats and the red on the seat belt. Well, this car is just fun. You can do a bunch of stupid stuff. You know? Just an overall fun car. If you're looking towards getting a BRZ, there should be nothing stopping you except money. If you think you're not gonna have fun in it, that's the lie. If you're thinking about the power, I mean, before this I had a Golf, 2002 Volkswagen Golf, so definitely didn't have more power. So power was kind of an upgrade to me at 200. And even after driving some fast ass car like M3s, C63 SAMGs, you know, M2s, M4s, I still come back into this and love it. I mean, it's a manual. What more you want from inexpensive sports car? This one came 33,000 sticker price. Didn't pay that for it though. I got like, was it like 3 to 4 grand off the price? Yeah. And again, I've been loving it ever since. You know, it's so playful. You know, that was speed it probably shouldn't be doing. You know, it's fast enough for the streets. It's nice to drive. The stick shift. It's a smooth car. It's rear wheel drive, so you can slide it when you feel like. And it's an overall riot. I love it. A lot of people said, why didn't go STI? Do not require back seats. I don't. I love the rear wheel drive feeling. And yeah, if you're thinking about this over a Miata, I mean, I've driven a Miata, but the one that I drove was automatic, so maybe it wasn't like a good enough comparison. I've driven Camaros, all of that. Today I should be driving a Challenger, but I still come back to this and just love it. It's always been my dream car, so maybe that's why I just love it. But yeah. Sound system isn't that bad either. Isn't it? It's not too bad. It's low as hell. You realize that after you tint it. After you tint it, you realize how low it is at night. When you turn on the lights, it's not that high up. It's like Shit. If you know what I mean. She said I can look. Alright. Let's see how fast we get to 60. Cool? Let's go. Go and do a normal launch. Oh, what the hell? How did traction get back on? That wasn't like a good enough run because traction kicked in. Thought I had it out. What's terrible on this car? The gas mileage. I mean, it's based on how I drive, but 13.5 miles per gallon. Absolutely horrible. I mean, 13. I mean, this car is rated like up to 24, so if you don't drive it hard, if you don't push it, shift under, what, 4,000 RPM, like say so. If you drive like this, you're gonna get good gas mileage, you know? But I don't like driving like that at all. It's like, I mean, I like to go as fast as possible up to the speed limit. So first, second, third, ease off. But the overall feel of it, it's nice. It's spacious enough for me. I don't have children. I mean, so I'm good enough. I've put my sister in the back seat before, and she's like 5 something, 5 foot something, 5'4", 5 foot. I have no idea, but she's 5 foot something, or at least she tell herself that. So she fit in the back with my mom in the front, fine. When the windows are down, don't really get a lot of wind noise. I mean, unless you start to do 100, then they start to say the ears hurting and shit. They have to wind it up. But it's a nice car, and a lot of people like. That's how happy it's tinted, because a lot of people be looking at it. They like it. A lot of times I'm at the stoplight, people come up to me and be like, yo, what kind of car is that? And when I say Subaru, they're like, oh, it was like a Benz or a Porsche or a BMW, you know, Subaru. Didn't know Subaru made that. I'm like, yep. I'm gonna start telling them it's a Toyota. What kind of car is that? It's a Toyota. So that what? Yep. Let's go. I mean, regarding like problems with the car, the only issue I've had with it is that tire thing, and it was because a nail was in the tire. And you'd get like a little light right here. You know, the tire pressure monitoring light. That's the only problem I've ever had with it. A lot of people try to race it, and I beat most of them. Even when they have their V8 Mustangs, because they're gonna struggle off the line, I beat them. One day we're gonna get it on a racetrack. We were supposed to do it on February the 1st, but it rained. So hopefully in March we get this thing on the racetrack. But I love it. It's my dream car. I'm happy I got it. For the price of this, I mean, I've been looking online recently, and for the price of this, I could have got even a Aston Martin Vantage, bro. Because that was 32 grand. So I could have been driving an Aston, but if I had bought that instead of this, I think I would have regretted it, because this has been my dream car for years. And it's just an amazing car. I mean, I try to drive as cautious as possible, like when I see other people coming too close, you know? I'm like, move, because if you touch it, I'ma cry, bro. I'ma be balling. I go ball, and then I'ma go to prison. But yeah, I love this thing. If you guys like it, leave a like and comment. Tell me what you want to see with it. Hopefully we get sponsored for some rims soon. I've been talking with this company and I love their rims. I saw it on a Supra and I loved it. And hopefully they're gonna let me get it for this BRZ. Don't touch it. So I'm talking about. I hate when people get so close to my damn car. Light is on red. You don't have to try to force it. Just chill, lady. And like that, I just did that up to 45. Like, I floored it through most a second. 45. Wasn't breaking the speed limit at all. Are you gonna force it? I need to move from Florida. These people can't drive. And I need some nice back roads. But yeah, it's a smooth car, you know? Simple. It's a great car to learn manual on. If you don't know how to drive manual, it's a great car to learn on. It's a great car to learn how to drift on too, because it's what I learned on. Well, I mean, I learned on Forza with my steering wheel set up and everything. Somebody just texted me, huh? Oh, Brenda. Alright. But yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys like this car. If you do, again, comment what you want to see done with it. Nothing too expensive though, cause we're paying for it. And if you have a nice ass car and you live in Florida, I don't care where in Florida you live, hit me up. Whether it's in the comments or on Instagram or through my email or something. Let me come out and film with your car. I don't have to drive it. I mean, I wouldn't let anybody drive this, so I don't have to drive it. You can drive and I video it. So if you got a dope ass car, hit me up. In the meanwhile, I'ma just keep on enjoying this. It's about to rain again. I mean, when it rains it's nice because you get to slide it without wearing down too much of your tires. But the downside, the car gets hella dirty. Even though the blue doesn't really show the dirt from afar, when you come up close to it though, you'll see it. But I love everything about this car, man. It's perfect for me. I just saw the TS, as I said, and I wouldn't trade. I like the rims on the TS. I like the red seatbelts. That's the thing that I like the most about the TS. The red seatbelts. But it's basically a performance package, so why would he trade? I love this car, and it's a car I plan on keeping forever. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna see how fast I can reach home now. Can I fit right there? I can, but I won't do it, you know. Nah, I'm gonna chill. Sunday, let's cruise home. Anyways, thank you for watching. Comment what you think about the car. Comment what you want to see about the car. And yeah, thank you. Bye bye.